Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Rinse the stainless steel plates and base in warm water and wipe dry. Assemble the central rod and stack the plates with even spacing. Pour 1 liter, 1000 ml, of water into the base, keeping the water level below the lowest tray. Grease each mold lightly with oil or ghee. Spoon about 1/2 cup of batter into each mold to fill them 3/4 full. Leave the lid ajar while filling to avoid spills and to keep steam accessible. Place the assembled idli maker on medium-high heat and bring the unit to a full steam. Close the lid and maintain medium-high heat for consistent steam pressure. Steam the idlis for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on batter thickness and altitude. Test doneness with a toothpick. It should come out clean and dry from the center. Remove the stack carefully using oven mitts and let cool for 2 minutes before unmolding. Turn idlis out with a silicone spoon. Allow the idli plates and lid to cool completely before cleaning to avoid warping. Soak the plates in warm, soapy water for about 10 minutes to loosen batter residue. Use a non-abrasive sponge or nylon brush to scrub gently and avoid steel wool on polished surfaces. Rinse well and dry all parts thoroughly with a clean towel to prevent water spots and corrosion. Reassemble the maker loosely and store in a dry cabinet away from acidic cookware that could cause pitting over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.